A budget-friendly and kind of a good VPN won't be a bad title for Surfshark. Let's see why. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to check out Surfshark, you can check out the discount links in the description below. Safety first. It has no log policy. That means it doesn't store your browsing information or any other type of data except your credentials, probably such as your name. This has even been audited by independent auditors, so probably we can rely. Also, this becomes virtually impossible to store your surfing data as they claim to have RAM-only servers. That means there is no storage space available to store your data. Then it has kill switch feature, same as of Node. This means if by any chance your IP protection goes off, it will immediately cut off connection and will only reconnect once it's safe with network. Recently they have introduced split tunneling as well by name of bypasser, similar to Node. Here it means that you can use certain websites without the VPN as well. You just have to enter the list of websites domain in the VPN settings and it will keep your normal connection on those websites. Also, Surfshark has put out double VPN option as well by the name of multi-hop. Here you can select two servers simultaneously layer over layer and improve your security. Nexus is basically a web of connections that Surfshark offers. Means that your IP will remain static, but you are connected to all the servers at the same time. DNS leak protection. Of course, by VPN, we expect that it protects us from our ISP tracking all of our inputs. So here it is. But I would have liked it more if it offered IPv6 leak protection as well, because that is good if we go out regularly. Clean Web is Surfshark's ad blocker, which blocks ads and ad trackers and prevents you from connecting to malicious sites. However, it wasn't able to always get rid of pop-up ads, but with newer update, you can install an extension on the browser and that will do the work. Let's talk about its accessibility and availability. With a simple, minimal and modern UI, Surfshark offers 3200 servers at 100 locations. That's great, but better than having 100 countries to go to. I have faced this issue with most VPNs of having limited servers, but this one tops the list. Even though number of total servers is less, but availability of more countries makes me think that it's worth it. Along with this, another point I liked is that it allows us unlimited connections. So that makes it really good deal, as I can share the connection to any one of my friends and share the payment as well. Not just this, but this app is transparent with users as well, as it states V before the virtual servers and tells people about using virtual servers and even lets you see metrics of speeds. From this, let's once see about speeds. On an average, Surfshark has good speeds. Not the best in the list, but one of the top. Its features like Nexus offer best routes with best possible speeds. With all this, a little feature that doesn't make much difference is speed test option. It comes inside the app, but some users reported that it's not accurate. Even while testing, I observed a normal drop of 10 to 15%, which increases to around 70% for faraway servers. That means a big no. Loss of 70% speed? Really? Now let's talk about features that everyone looks for or any other special features it can give us, like opening up geo-blocked content. Yes, it can do that. Surfshark provides access to a smart DNS service. This allows you to access streaming services on platforms that don't natively support VPNs, such as certain smart TV models. While a smart DNS won't change your IP address or encrypt your traffic, it typically provides faster speed because there is no encryption. Along with all this, there's a mind-boggling feature. That's a geo spoofing. Means not just your IP, but it can make your GPS location look like you are in the right place of the VPN. That's a very fun feature as well because you can take a great advantage. Talked a lot. I hope I've cleared major part of what we need from a VPN. Now we also need to ensure that we know its other side. Firstly, Surfshark is not the best option for getting around government firewalls. In restrictive countries like China, Iran, Russia, Saudi Arabia, and Indonesia, the support reps told me that Surfshark will definitely work in such places if you set up a manual connection using OpenVPN. However, I don't think that's a convenient workaround as it's time consuming and difficult to set up and use. Second, camouflage mode in Surfshark's obfuscation feature, which hides VPN traffic and makes it look like regular internet traffic. Unfortunately, some users told me that it's not guaranteed that camouflage mode will always work in restrictive countries. Third, speeds dropping up to 70 to 80% in long distance servers is just irritating and frustrating. Fourth, geospoofing works only for Android phones yet, and another 2 to 3 features like bypasser and speed test are missing from iOS. The built-in speed test is inaccurate, no IPv6 leak protection, and no guarantee of its service working well in restrictive countries are some of the downsides which I would appreciate if improved. Of course, the 2-yearly plan looks lucrative as it's $2.3 per month, which is built for 2 years for the first time. For this pricing, I would say it's kind of a good VPN, but of course it's your call because you can even make it cheaper by sharing it with as many friends as you want. That's it for today. Again, if you want to check it out, you can do so from the description below. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye.